Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a complete shipping solution from MUNBYN. We're looking at the 130B Bluetooth thermal label printer, a pack of their 4x6 thermal direct shipping labels, and their 66 pounds postal scale. This combo aims to streamline your shipping process, so let's see if it delivers. First up, the MUNBYN 130B printer. This is a thermal printer, meaning no ink is required, which is a huge plus for long-term cost savings. It connects via Bluetooth, offering a clean, wireless setup. The initial setup was straightforward. The printer feels sturdy and well-built. It's compact enough to not take up too much desk space, which is always a win. The included 4x6 labels are thermal direct, so they work perfectly with the printer. The pack comes with 500 labels per roll, which is a decent amount to get you started. The labels themselves feel high quality, with a strong adhesive that should keep them securely attached to your packages. Now let's talk about the shipping scale. This scale boasts an accuracy of 0.1 ounces, which is crucial for getting precise shipping costs. It has a 66 pounds capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of packages. The display is clear and easy to read, and the scale itself is lightweight and portable. In practice, the MUNBYN 130B printer performs admirably. Printing labels is quick and easy, with sharp, clear text and barcodes. The Bluetooth connectivity is reliable, and the printer is compatible with various shipping platforms. The thermal printing technology ensures that the labels are durable and resistant to smudging. The shipping scale is equally impressive. It provides accurate weight measurements consistently, which can save you money on shipping costs by preventing overpayment. The scale is simple to use, with a tare function that allows you to zero out the weight of packaging materials. Overall, the MUNBYN 130B Bluetooth thermal label printer, along with the thermal direct shipping labels and postal scale, offers a comprehensive shipping solution for small businesses and individuals who ship frequently. The printer is reliable and efficient. The labels are high quality, and the scale is accurate and easy to use. If you're looking to simplify your shipping process and save money on ink, this MUNBYN combo is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.